Hello, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to put text over an image in Microsoft Excel. So you can see I've created a file here that has a picture in it, and I'm trying to get that picture underneath that text there. And you probably know in Word, you can just go to a line and put it on underneath the, or on the top, or center it, which I can't do in Excel, you're noticing. What I need to do is go to Insert, Text Box, and then it'll bring up this funny looking cursor that I can then draw my box. Here's my text. And then from here, I can format this however I like. So if I do Shape Fill and put No Fill, and then I can go back to the Home tab and change the text of whatever I want it to be. So I'm going to make it funky, I'm going to make it nice and big, I'm going to make it red, and there it is, text over your picture. There you are, how to put text over a picture. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.